Hi everyone, in today's video you will learn about grammar. To learn grammar, the very first thing you need to know about the naming words. What is this naming words? Naming words are the names given to animal, person, place or thing. Naming words are also called as nouns. Naming word is divided into two parts. First one is special name, that is also called as proper noun, and second is common name, that is also called as common noun. If I give you example, this is dog, his name is Buddy. So here dog is said as a common noun or a common name because it just gives general description about the dog, and Buddy is said to be a special name or a proper noun because it specifies the name of a dog. Let's see few more examples. Here in this image you can see one man standing. So to his right hand side it is given as common names, and to the left hand side it is given as special names. So first example is a person is standing, so that picture shows it is an image of a man. So man is said to be a common name, and he is having a special name given as said to be a John. So John is said to be a special name, as John is a person name. Now next image you can see it is of a girl standing. So the girl is said to be a common name, and she has a special name given, that is Anjali. So Anjali is a special name. In similar way you can see the image of a map, that is image of a India. So country, it is said to be a country as a common noun, and it is India, a specific name is given, so that is a special name. Similarly, one nature image is shown, so that is of a river, and river is a common name, and name is given to that river is a Ganga. So Ganga is called as a special name. Let's start with some examples. So here in this image a passage is given, and you need to find out the special names and the common names from this passage. You need to underline it. So let's first read the passage. This is Tuk Tuk. He is a big brown horse. He loves to eat grass. He belongs to monks. In this passage, it is said that a horse is there. So that horse is said to be a common name, and that horse is having a special name given as a Tuk Tuk. So Tuk Tuk is a special name. He eats grass. So grass is said to be a common name, and he belongs to monk. Means in this sentence it is said that the horse is living in a monk city, or a monk is said to be a place. So that is also a special name. Let's do with our next exercise. In this exercise, Few sentences are given in which you need to underline the name of person, place, animal or thing. First sentence is the cat is sleeping. So cat is a animal. Next, the clock is big. So the clock is a thing. Pia is happy. Pia is a name of a person. This is a park. So park is a place. Hey friends, here are your assignments. Take your time to complete your assignment. Till that time, bye. Have a good day. See you in the session.